Hey y'all, hey, it's D. So, do you want to know the top 3 money-making apps that I did in the month of July? I know you do. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, hey. So today I will be going over the best money-making apps in July 2024. I do share this video every month on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing how much money I made, you can just follow my low income budgeting playlist and it will be there. I will be doing this a little bit different than I have been doing. I am using my budgeting and savings planner that I do have available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop. And let's just get into this budget, y'all. So all of the income that I make, I do make out a budget for it, no matter how small it is. And this has really been working for me, especially since I have been experiencing a downturn in my income for the last almost 2 years. So that situation has helped me budget my money even more effectively. Let's just see what sources of income I have right now. I consider side income from Amazon, income from apps, my Buy Me a Coffee shop, my Etsy shop, and my YouTube channel. So these are the sources that I currently have. In the month of July, I was actually able to bring in a total of $7.68, and this is from book sales. So thank y'all so much who continue to support my books I have available on Amazon. And yeah, y'all, thank you. And apps, and these are the actual apps that I do on my phone, which I will go over in detail of what I made for the top 3 apps in this video. The apps I was able to make, y'all, a total of $86.60. This is a lot higher than I usually make, and this is because I had 3 product reviews. Number 1 app this month, which is usually every month, and that is Surveys on the Go. I will insert a picture. I made a total of $51.60. Now, as I just stated, I had 3 product reviews in the month of July. So this is higher than what it usually is. But every month, I usually make at least $20 to $30 from Surveys on the Go by itself. They don't have a referral program, but you can download the app and actually use it. My second top paying app was My Points, and I will insert a picture. I made a total of $10 on here. On this one, the main things that I do is do surveys, upload receipts, and there are other options that you can do. I usually make between $10 and $20 a month. And my third biggest paying out app for July was Coin Out. Once again, I will insert a picture. And I made a total of $5. Now on this one, I usually make $5 every other month, but lately I've been able to make $5 every month. And on this one, all I do is snap receipts. They also don't have a referral program. And I forgot to mention my Points referral is linked down below. You will have to copy the full link. There is a slight glitch in their referral. So copy the full link and you will get extra points and I will get extra points. For Coin Out, I have that money Zelled to me, and all the other cash that I receive from my apps are paid via PayPal. Y'all are not downloading these apps. What are you waiting on? I will link above the video that I just made going over how much money I made in the first 6 months using these apps. You're going to want to watch that. And then go download the apps. Go to my description box. You get extra points, I get extra points. Let's go over how much I was able to make with my Buy Me a Coffee shop. I made a total of $1.90. So thank you. I wasn't able to make anything on Etsy. Etsy has been extremely slow for me. I don't know why, but It is what it is, and I wasn't able to make anything on YouTube. But y'all, I am very, 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 very close to being able to be paid out for YouTube. So I'm really hoping in the month of August, I will have more than enough so I can get paid out in my birthday month. And if you don't know, it's September. So thank y'all for watching my ads. My ads revenue is increasing. Thank you for supporting my channel any way that you can support my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, this will going to be the third check that I get from YouTube. So it's so exciting. So thank y'all. Now let's see the total amount I was able to make with apps, and this is just the cash. I will be going over what I made with cash and gift cards towards the end of the video. I also had a pretty good month with gift cards. Don't sleep on these apps. I'm trying to tell y'all, don't sleep. Stay woke. So $768 from Amazon plus $86.60 plus $1.90. That is a total of $96.18, which I will be allocating today. So on my side income, I never set up a budgeted amount for any of my budgets because I never know what it's going to be. Now we're going to get into my bill section, and this is where I'm going to start allocating this $96.18. So for my mortgage, and this will be a extra principal payment. I am trying to get my mortgage paid off by the end of 2025. I will have a video coming up next Monday giving you an update of my mortgage balance. Y'all want to stay tuned for that. It is a milestone within that video that I am so excited for. Okay, so for my mortgage, I will be putting a total of $20 towards my principal. I will be making an extra payment towards my utilities. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to build up a buffer within my utility account so I can have at least a month ahead worth of utility bills as a credit on my account. I did just sign up for the budgeting billing. My utility company just got that. So my first month was in July, and I'm trying to see how that's going to work, and hopefully that will help me also. With my utility company, they allow you to roll over credits, and what that credit is allowing me to do is still keep my budget amount every month at the same, even if the bill is more than what I budgeted. So that's a little tip and trick on how I budget out my utilities. For my buffer, I will be adding a total of $5, and this is to help build my account back up. I have been having to use this to take care of some extra expenses that I didn't have money for. And for a saving challenge, taking a total of $20, and you will be seeing a video of me cash stuffing this $20 in the first or second week of August. So now let's see how much I am allocating towards my bills and expenses section. So that's 20 plus 10 plus 5. I could have did this in my head, but I'm lazy. And it's early in the morning. All right, so that's a total of $55. So now I'm going to take $55 from the income that I started out with, which is $96.18. And I have a total of $41.18 left budget from this income. Next, I will be going into my special funds, i.e. sinking fund section, and allocating the remaining of the $41.18 in this section. And I have another section which I also will be allocating some funds to. So for It's D, and this is the savings account I have to support my It's D brand, and it will be getting all the money I made from Buy Me a Coffee and Amazon. I do have to renew my P.O. box, so I am close to saving up for that. And yeah, also $9.58 will be going towards It's D. My Treat Yourself account we'll be getting a total of $1.60, and this is what I use to treat myself to whatever my heart desires. Renovation, we'll be getting a total of $5. Household will not be getting anything. Car repairs, I am trying to build up this account. Big car repair coming up, and I'm just trying to slowly add to that. And the rest of these will not be getting anything this time. So that is it for my special funds. Let's add up this section. So it's $9.58 plus 160 plus 5 plus 10. And that is a total of $26.18. I am going to subtract this $26.18 from the $41.18 that I had left over from my bill section. And that equals to a total of $15 that I have left to budget. And now we're getting into my investing section. And for investing, I will be putting the remaining $15 into my brokerage account. Currently, I am working on building up my brokerage account. I will be starting this month in August members only videos where I will be going over a breakdown in great detail of how I am going to be investing my money in my brokerage account so I can start my process of retiring early. So once I get this mortgage paid off, I will be amping up my investing, savings, and some other stuff so I can retire early. That is one of my main goals currently, outside of getting my mortgage paid off. So if you're interested in great detail of how and what I'm doing in my brokerage account, you can sign up for my membership. It starts off at $199. The first video will post August the 10th. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for my members who have already signed up. Those videos are gonna be kind of different. It'll be more personable than my regular videos. So yeah, y'all. Investing, that's going to leave me a total of $15 that I am investing, and now I have a zero-based budget. Now down here on this section, I will be making sure that I do have a zero-based budget, and this is just the way that I prefer. This does not mean I don't have any money in my checking account. It just means I have allocated all of the funds that I have received for that period to particular areas. So I started out with a total of $96.18. My bill section, as I stated, was this $55. My expenses section, you know what, I need to change this. So this expenses actually should be my special funds. So my special funds section was a total of $26.18. And my investing section came up to $15. I can't believe I did that. I changed this whole printable, but forgot to do the breakdown. Anyway, so $96.18 minus the $55 from my bills, minus $26.18 that I allocated towards my special funds, minus the $15 for investing, and yeah, that is a zero-based budget. So even with the cash I made, that's almost $100 that I made in the month of July doing easy tasks. Y'all, if you don't have a side income, please consider doing something. You don't have to do the stuff that I do, but if you have a passion for something, do it, because in these days, this day and age, any extra income can be helpful. I don't care how little it is, it all adds up. So now I'll be getting into how much total I made with apps in the month of July, which includes the cash and the gift cards. I always cash out my gift cards with Amazon, and that's how I'm able to buy things that I want/need that I don't have the money for. Okay, y'all, now let's get into what I was able to make in cash and gift cards. And this is just for the apps. I made a total of $86.60 in cash. And I made a whopping $48.35 in gift cards. $134.94. Come on now, y'all. These are easy tasks. Could you use $134.94? I'm pretty sure you can. I'm just saying. So this was a very, very, very good month for apps, and I'm very, very thankful. Usually I make about $100 between the cash and the gift cards every month. I am also tracking my credit card rewards, and I will be using these credit card rewards to help me pay for Christmas gifts and some late birthdays in the fourth quarter. And as of the recording of the video, I have a total of $76.43 that I have earned. Now, this may not seem like a lot, but I use my credit card to pay my bills mainly. I have been doing really good this year and not overbuying, so the rewards are not as much as it was last year. I have mainly been just paying my bills that I can pay on my credit card. So my credit card company is in essence paying me to pay my bills with credit card rewards. So y'all, let's do a recap. My best money making apps in July in order: Surveys on the Go, My Points, there's a link down below, and Coin Out. Get on this side income train. You're not gonna want to get off when you get on, because the money is good, y'all. All right, y'all, don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.